This is Washington, D.C., the capital of the United States of America, a city where history was written, where power is exercised, and where decisions shape the future of the world. Washington, D.C. is not just a city, it is the heart of American democracy. On Pennsylvania Avenue stands the iconic White House, the official residence and workplace of the President of the United States. Since 1800, every U.S. president except George Washington has lived here. Behind these walls, some of the most important decisions in global history have been made. Rising proudly on Capitol Hill is the United States Capitol. This is where Congress meets, where laws are debated, shaped, and passed. Beneath its magnificent dome lies the foundation of the American legislative system. At the western end of the National Mall stands the Lincoln Memorial. Built to honor President Abraham Lincoln, this monument symbolizes unity, freedom, and equality. It was here that Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his historic "I